विसोपरांत तुमकां येवकार. भारताच्या प्रधानमंत्र्यान स्वच्छता अभियान लॉन्च केला. हे अभियान 15 सप्टेंबर ते 2 ऑक्टोबर मजगती चलतलो. हे अभियान अख्ख्या भारतभर चलतले. गोंय राज्यातय ह्या अभियाना खाला सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांनी, कार्यालयांनी तशेंच कार्यालयाच्या सरभोंवतणी स्वच्छताय केल्या. डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ पंचायत कार्यालयांतल्या कर्मचाऱ्यांनी जुंता हावजाचो परिसर स्वच्छ केलो. पणजेच्यान डेस्क गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिग्स.
The Prime Minister of India has launched a sanitation campaign throughout the country with the theme "Sanitation is everyone's business." This campaign will go on from 15th of this month till 2nd of January, 2nd of October, and during this 15 days, all the government departments as well as other institutions and all, they are appealed to conduct swachhata activities. So त्या संदर्भान सगळ्यो including the railways, education institutions and all, this is in furtherance of the message, the mission, Swachh Bharat mission, and all these activities are complementing the mission. So our objective is to spread this message at each and every corner of the country. So this is our attempt to start the sanitation campaign from ourselves, since our offices are the one places where we spend most of the time rather than at home. So this is the first place that needs to be clean. So today's activities are to clean this campus in order to spread this message of cleanliness.
How many departments are participating?
Altogether 30 offices, but 13 departments, because there are subordinate offices also in this building. And in addition to that, all the HODs are also requested to direct their subordinate offices to conduct these activities.